Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Porsche 911 GT3. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. That looks perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches. So now we're going to move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in excellent condition and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver door. This door looks perfect. Okay, let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition and the wheel has no curb rash. Now let's have a look at the back of the car. The spoiler is in perfect condition. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. And the back bumper looks good as well. Okay, now we're going to have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has no dents or scratches and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger door. This door is in excellent condition. Okay, and now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's move on to the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Also, this car has navigation and backup camera. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.